welcome back to our channel. Today we're in the kitchen. Why, baby?
We're making a vegan
Today we're making a vegan
charcuterie board.
So I've been seeing everybody make these, and I thought I would give it a try, but because we don't eat like meats or cheese really, yeah, I thought that we would get some vegan stuff and try our hand at this board.
And we wanted to make a date out of it too, so we're gonna be making this charcuterie board and then heading down to the beach to enjoy it together.
Yes, so I'm gonna go through and kind of show you guys what we have, and then we'll get started.
Cool.
Okay, so starting with our spreads, we have peach preserves and roasted red pepper hummus. We got some plant-based ham and hickory smoked turkey, plant-based turkey for our meats. Our fruits, fresh raspberries, coconut chunks for me, and kiwis and grapes. The part I am the most excited for is the cheeses. So we got this chive cheese, and all this is vegan, guys. Cheddar, Parmesan, and this like cheese spread. I've actually had this one before and it's really good. For our veggies, we've got some red bell peppers so we can dip our hummus, cucumbers, and some celery. I don't know why I got celery, but I thought it would be cool. And some olives. And then just the crackers, some pretzels, and almonds. So our little board is back here. Got some bowls to put all our stuff in. Yeah, we're about to get started. You excited, baby?
Very excited, yes.
So I'm about to show you the finished product. We think it looks really good. What do you think?
It does look good. We don't think we know it looks good.
Look at this, you guys. So about to tear it up and go to the beach. We're bringing some sparkling juice because we're on a fast. We're not drinking right now for the whole month of January. So yeah, let's go to the beach. Our charcuterie board and saran wrap and foil so we can take it to the beach with us. Bringing some glasses. And you got the water?
Yeah, it's in the car.
Okay, cool. Got some pillows, blankets. We're about to head out and go to the beach. I don't know how we're about to carry all this stuff. So let's My favorite is this cheese, this chive cheese. So good. It's amazing. This deli meat is great. Everything is fantastic. Super vibe. So guys, sadly Christian was not feeling too well shortly after we got to the beach, so we had to come home a little bit earlier than expected. He's in the bed right now resting. He had a terrible headache, so our beach date was cut short, but we had so much fun making that charcuterie board. We shopped at HEB for most of the fruits and veggies, and Whole Foods for the vegan meats and the vegan cheeses. So you didn't have to do too much shopping around, but it definitely was a task trying to find vegan cheeses, but just stick to Whole Foods. They have everything you need. So I just wanted to say a quick thank you so much again for watching our video. Thank you for giving us so much love. We love you guys, and we will see you in our next video, which is coming very soon. Hasta la vista, baby.